In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you have your airbag light flashing or staying on your Nissan Sentra and you want to reset this. It's very easy, so let's get started right away. So the first step in this solution over here is to turn the key, and this works even if you have a start-stop button. Turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light on your dash closely. You're gonna notice it will turn off after a few seconds. As soon as that light turns off, turn the key from the on position to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. Now we're gonna repeat these 3 steps 2 more times. So step number 4, do the same thing. Turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light in the dash. When it turns off, fast turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. After that, one more time, you're gonna turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light. It turns off. Okay, great. Turn the key to the lock position and wait another 5 seconds. Then step number 10, turn the key to the on position and you're gonna notice the airbag light will start blinking, but slowly this time. This means that it's in diagnostic mode, so wait 30 seconds this way. Do not touch anything. Step number 11, turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, turn the key to the on position and the airbag light should turn off after about 7 seconds and you will be good to go. Now, what if this doesn't work? What I suggest is, well, redo these steps. Sometimes timing is very important, so if you waited 7 seconds instead of 5, well, this could make it or break it. Then also check the seatbelt connectors or any other connectors related to the airbag. If they get disconnected, well, that's the reason why you have the light on your dash. If nothing is working for you, I suggest you go to a professional, your dealership or even a trusted mechanic that will have a scanner, and maybe there's something to replace. Maybe the problem is actually real and there is a major fault with your airbag system. Thanks for watching. If this worked, please leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.